There is no magic formula to turn back time and fight skin aging. As the years pass, our skin naturally changes. Sagging, fine lines, and spots will definitely appear. But did you know that besides being the largest organ of the body, the skin also reflects your internal wellness? In other words, the appearance of your skin is indicative of your health. You may not escape from aging, but you can delay its effects on your skin. Did you know that? Some of the most common aging signs are wrinkles around the eyes, fine lines around the lips, and spots on the hands. There are reasons to believe that deep wrinkles in the forehead are more than an aesthetic issue. As we saw in another video, these wrinkles may be linked to the risk of cardiovascular disease. Want to learn more? Click here to watch. Which treatment should you choose to lessen the wrinkles in your forehead? There are a lot of treatments available to lessen wrinkles, but most of them have side effects. If you want to spend less money and still get amazing benefits, why not try one of these 3 natural alternatives? Aloe vera gel. The fresh gel extracted from its leaves is known for its many benefits. Aloe vera improves the skin's viscosity and elasticity, restoring its moisture and making it softer and flexible. Write down the ingredients of this aloe mask to lessen your wrinkles. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon aloe vera, 0.52 ounces. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 0.56 ounces. 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1.75 ounces. Mix all the ingredients together and apply over your face, gently massaging. Let it act for 5 minutes. Rinse with cold water and pat dry. Don't rub the towel on your skin. Apply twice a week if you have more wrinkles. Otherwise, once a week is fine. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Frankincense oil. Frankincense essential oil has been studied for many years, and research says it is efficient to control acne, prevent wrinkles, and lessen stretch marks. It also contains astringent, healing, and anti-inflammatory properties. To use it, you can make your own anti-spots and anti-aging serum at home. Mix 6 drops of frankincense oil, use a high-quality one, in 1 ounce of almond oil, or any carrier oil of your preference, and apply twice a day. Remember to always test in a small area of your forearm to avoid any allergic reactions. Coffee. A 2013 study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine showed the antioxidant activity of coffee. The results showed that the topical use of coffee extract reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It also improves the pigmentation and general appearance of the skin. Making it is easy. Break an egg and split the white from the yolk. Beat the whites, add 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground coffee, and stir until combined and foaming. Wash your hands and apply the mask with gentle circular motions. Let the mask act for 20 to 30 minutes until dry, then remove with water.